there, fitness enthusiasts! Have you ever finished a high-intensity workout and noticed you weren't as hungry as you thought you'd be? Well, you're not alone. Recent research published in the Journal of the Endocrine Society has found that high-intensity exercise can significantly suppress appetite, especially in women. How cool is that? Researchers took a group of 14 adults, 8 men and 6 women, who fasted overnight and then performed various exercises. They discovered that high-intensity workouts drastically reduced levels of ghrelin, the hormone that makes us feel hungry. Even more fascinating, women experienced a more pronounced reduction in ghrelin levels compared to men. Now let's talk science for a sec. Ghrelin comes in 2 forms, acylated and deacylated. Both are linked to hunger, but during these intense sweat sessions, levels of both types of ghrelin dropped significantly. And, interestingly, this drop didn't always translate to a decrease in perceived hunger. This means that even though the hunger hormone levels were down, people didn't necessarily feel less hungry. Weird, right? So, why does this happen? One theory points to lactate buildup during intense exercise. This could be playing a role in suppressing ghrelin. But there's still a lot we don't know. Researchers are calling for more studies to figure out the optimal intensity and duration of workouts for appetite control. This discovery is super exciting for anyone trying to manage their weight. Imagine curbing those post-workout cravings just by dialing up the intensity of your routine. But remember, everyone's body reacts differently, and it's important to find what works best for you. The findings also highlight some intriguing sex differences. While both men and women saw a drop in ghrelin levels, women had higher baseline levels, but experienced a more significant reduction after high-intensity exercise. This might be due to hormonal differences, but more research is needed to understand why. So, if you're looking to control your appetite and manage your weight, consider incorporating some high-intensity workouts into your routine. And as always, listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional before making any major changes to your exercise regimen. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and alert bell to stay motivated with us here at Peak Mind Provisions 369. Stay fit and stay motivated. See you next time.